الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد قال الله عز وجل في كلامه المجيد إن الدين عند الله الإسلام. The most famous and popular manager of our Jamia Islamia Daryabad, Sir Atikur Rahman Nadwi, respected teachers, and my dear audience, I want to say something about the topic, the Islam is a perfect religion. We may easily understand the true meaning of Islam. The word Islam is derived of some Arabic root, salam, which means, among other things, peace, purity, submission, and obedience. In the religious sense, the word Islam means submission to the will of Allah and obedience to His law. Only through by submission to the will of Allah and by obedience to His law can one achieve true purity and enjoying lasting peace. Islam is a quiet, neat, and clean religion. If anyone has chosen a religion beside Islam, will not have it accepted, and he will be among the losers in the hereafter. As Allah Rabbul Alamin say in Quran chapter number 2, verse number 19, Inna ad-deena inda Allahi al-Islam. It means, indeed, the religion in sight of Allah is only Islam. In other place, Allah Rabbul Alamin says about them who desire a religion beside Islam will not have it on. As Allah Rabbul Alamin said, if anyone has desire a religion beside Islam, will not have it accepted, and he will be among the losers in the hereafter. So we should not desire a religion beside Islam, because it is not religion of Allah, it is the religion of Shaitan, who ushers the people of some right path into the wrong path and led them to the hell. So we should not follow the footstep of Shaitan, because he is our an open enemy. As Allah Rabbul Alamin said, O who you believe, enter into the Islam wholeheartedly and follow not the footstep of Shaitan, for he is to you an open enemy. If we want to do good deed, we should obey Allah and obey His messenger. Allah Rabbul Alamin ordered the people of all over the world to fear Him only and die not except in condition of Islam. Islam is not only a religion, but a complete code of life. The most complete system of worship available for human beings today is the system found in the religion of Islam. The very name Islam means submission to the will of Allah and obedience to His law. It is not a new religion. It is the religion brought by all the prophets of Allah to teach mankind to worship Allah and to avoid evils. As Allah Rabbul Alamin says, وَلَقَدْ بَعَثْنَا فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولًا أَنِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاجْتَنِبُوا الطَّاغُوتَ. Allah has created all the jinn and mankind only for worship Him. Thus the essential purpose for which humankind was created is worship of Allah. If a single human is not worship Allah, it would not diminish His glory in any way. And if all of mankind worshipped Him, it would not increase His glory in any way. Allah is alone, He is perfect. Allah has sent all the prophets on the earth. They invite the people to worship only for Allah. One of them, the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, came on the earth to guide the people from darkness into the light and led them to the path of salvation. Here is the question, who is the best Muslim according to Islam? If Islam is good religion, if Islam is perfect religion? The answer, as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Al-Muslimu man salim al-Muslimuna min lisani wa yadihi. The best believer according to Islam is one from whose tongue and hands Muslims are safe. Dear friends, you know, the followers of various religions all over the world name their religion either with the name of a particular person or nation. Like Christianity, which was named after Jesus Christ, and Buddhism, which was named after its founder Buddha. But it is only Islam that is not attributed to any particular nation or person. The Holy Quran says, there is no nation or border has not sinned. Islam is religion of all prophets. One of them, the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say the best way of Islam is the gentle way, free from all difficulty. Our religion Islam is the complete and peaceful submission to the will of Allah and obedience to His law. Once you embrace the Islam, make the best decision in your life. Islam is a perfect religion and the best way of life that guide us to the right path. And the last Quranic verse Allah has revealed on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam belongs to his perfection of Islam. As Allah Rabbul Alamin says, Al-Yawma akmaltu lakum deenakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum Islam deena. At last, I pray to Allah to give us knowledge to understand the reality of Islam. Ameen. Taqabbal ya Rabbul Alamin. Assalamu alaikum.